Module 5, Lesson 11, Volumes of Spheres. So for a sphere, again, it's a circular shape, so therefore we're going to have pi in the equation. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius to the third power, radius cubed here. Pi again is 3.14, or you can use the pi button on a calculator, or you could use, you could leave pi in the equation in your answer. So here's the sphere we're going to do as an example. Again, volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So 4/3 times pi times our radius in this case is 5 cubed. So we enter that into the calculator and it will tell us the volume of this sphere, and that is 523.6. Now this time there's no label here, so we're going to put a label of units cubed. Again, volume is always cubed. So that's the volume of a sphere.